Welcome to the Good News Channel, your daily dosage of good news. You've seen it, a glowing orange moon rising over the horizon, then hours later, a ghostly white orb high in the sky. But what's really going on? Is the moon changing, or is it something else entirely? The truth is, the moon doesn't emit any light of its own. What we see is just reflected sunlight, and the color depends on how that light reaches our eyes. When the moon is low on the horizon, it looks red, orange, or yellow. That's because its light has to pass through more of Earth's atmosphere, which scatters away the blue wavelengths and lets the red tones dominate, the same reason sunsets look fiery. As it rises higher in the sky, the atmosphere it shines through is thinner. Less scattering means we see more of the true reflected light, which appears white or even slightly bluish-gray. Sometimes, particles in the air, like dust, smoke, or pollution, can also shift the moon's color. Volcanic eruptions, for example, have turned the moon blood red for weeks at a time. And during a lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow gives it that eerie, copper hue, a phenomenon often called a blood moon. But color isn't the only trick the moon plays. We often call it a full moon, a half moon, or a new moon, but the moon itself never changes shape. What we're seeing is just how much of the sunlit side is facing Earth, depending on the moon's position in its orbit. Each month, the moon glides through a cycle of phases. A new moon when it's completely dark, a first quarter, when half is lit on the right, a full moon, glowing in full light, and a last quarter, when the left half is visible. In between, it waxes and wanes, crescents and gibbous shapes that slowly shift over 29.5 days. So no, the moon isn't changing colors or shape on its own. It's the air around us and the geometry of light and shadow that transform how we see it. A cosmic illusion, changing nightly, written in orbit. Did you like this story? Click the like button, subscribe to the Good News Channel for daily good news stories.